Dear student, let's continue our lesson. Lesson number 5, temperature. So one activity is given. You have to walk barefoot on your terrace in the afternoon and again at evening. What is your experience? During day terrace was hot, at evening it was cold. Okay, so land get heated up fast and cools fast. So solid things like land get heated fast and cools down fast. Water takes time to get hot and time to get cool. So during day in coastal areas, day temperature is less. So day temperature is less in coastal area. In continental area, day temperature is high. Means in Nanded, day temperature will be high. In Mumbai, Chennai, day temperature will be low. In coastal area, air is warmer at night, and in continental area, air is cooler at night. Means like Parbhani, Nanded, air will be cool at night, and Chennai, Goa, Mumbai, air will be warmer at night. Little hot will be there air. During day, Chennai, Mumbai, Goa places will be colder, and during day Nanded, Parbhani, continental areas which are away from coast will be hot, and at night coastal areas will be warmer and continental areas will be cooler. So sea water get heated and water vapors get mixes in the air. These vapors hold the heat in the air, so coastal areas remains moist and warm. So what happens? Coastal areas, wherever sea, oceans are there, that water get heated and converts into water vapor, and this water vapor mixes into the air. Okay, water vapor holds the air, so coastal areas remains moist and warm. In continental area, which is away from the sea, water vapors are absent, hence there is no water vapor, air becomes dry, and there is more difference during the day and night temperature. So continental areas which are away from coast, night temperature and day temperature have huge difference, and coastal areas night temperature and day temperature there will be no difference. Okay, same, night temperature is also same and day temperature is also same in coastal area. The maximum and minimum temperature of a day is called a diurnal range of temperature. So question is there, what is meant by diurnal range of temperature? The meaning of diurnal range of temperature is the maximum temperature and minimum temperature of a day is called a diurnal range of temperature. You have mobile, on mobile weather forecasting is showing what is the temperature of air your area, you can know by seeing your mobile. So you have to keep note what was the day temperature of your area, what is the night temperature of area. So maximum temperature during day and minimum temperature at night, it is called the diurnal range of temperature. Mumbai's diurnal temperature is even, means there is no difference in a day temperature and night temperature of Mumbai. So it's a humid, that climate is even of Mumbai, means there is no much difference in day temperature and night temperature, as well as there is no much difference in summer and winter temperature. In Nanded we feel very hot in summer and cold in winter, but Mumbai, Chennai, Goa there is no much difference in temperature in summer and winter. But Nagpur there is a huge difference during the day temperature and night temperature, as well as summer temperature and winter temperature. Nagpur's temperature might be in winter it might be 23, 23, and summer temperature might be 45, 46. So there is a huge double temperature. Okay, huge difference in the summer and winter temperature of Nagpur, but there is no much difference in winter temperature and summer temperature of Mumbai. In coastal regions like Mumbai, the range of temperature is less, but in Vidarbha means Nagpur, Amravati, So this Vidarbha, the range of temperature is found higher. Our area is called Marathwada and Nagpur, Amravati, Wardha is called Vidarbha. So Vidarbha's the range of temperature is found higher. Vidarbha's temperature is higher and Mumbai is a coastal area. Okay, Mumbai's climate is equable. No, there is no change in temperature. Temperature remains same during summer and winter, and temperature remains same during night and day. Continental areas temperature is extreme climate. Extreme. There is a huge difference in summer and winter temperature, day and night temperature. If there is a huge difference in summer and winter temperature, it is called extreme climate. And if there is a very less difference is there in during summer and winter temperature, it is called even climate. Equable climate means no difference, and extreme climate means there is a huge difference in temperature of summer and winter. So let's understand about greenhouse gases. Means gas doesn't have any color. Okay, the concept greenhouse gases is somewhat different. Some gases are there in atmosphere. Which gases are there? Carbon dioxide is there, water vapors are there, carbon monoxide is there, chlorofluorocarbon is there, and due to these gases temperature increases. These gases are responsible to increase the temperature of air. If this amount of these gases increases, it leads to climate change. Scientists said that due to these gases, temperature of earth increases, and this is called global warming. As due to these gases, atmospheric temperature increases, and these gases are called greenhouse gases. So student, do you understand what is meant by greenhouse gases? Gases which are present in atmosphere like carbon dioxide, water vapor, carbon monoxide, chlorofluorocarbon. These gases increase the temperature of air, and these gases are called greenhouse gases. These gases are responsible for changing in climate. Dear students, here we will stop, and in next video we are going to study ocean currents, world's ocean currents and thermometer. We are going to get more information regarding ocean currents, what is meant by ocean currents and thermometer. Students, don't waste your time. You are getting too much time. So you should read lessons again and again till you understand. You should watch video, listen my explanation. Okay, draw diagrams. Bye students. Take care.